It is said that there are thousands of thoughts coming to the mind of a person on a daily basis. Each thought has the potential to decide the future of the person. Each thought is also known to trigger certain emotions. These emotions are said to release certain chemicals in the body. Everything starts with the belief of the person. Based on the belief, the person can filter and manage his thoughts in an effective manner. Certain practices like mindfulness, meditation, breath control also helps to control the flow of thoughts coming to the mind of the person. Affirmation and visualization also helps a person to train their mind in the right direction to achieve their desired results. Both these techniques work on the principle that what we think and believe is what we get.
Hello viewers. Welcome to HR Optimum and the World of Books.
Here in this channel, that is HR Optimum, introduces best-selling authors and their best-selling books to the viewers, and also recommends best-selling books for readers. We are here again with another book authored by best-selling author. Here in this book introduction series, we are introducing another book titled The Power of Thoughts and Visualization, authored by Deepak Devraj. Author Deepak Devraj is a software professional from Kochi, India, with around 15 years of work experience. Apart from his software background, he is also a best-selling author of inner wellness and self-help related books. He is also a practitioner of various holistic techniques like yoga, pranayama, meditation, mindfulness, Reiki, law of attraction, subconscious mind reprogramming, affirmation, visualization, gratitude, NLP, belief system, etc. Deepak is now on a mission to spread positivity, success, happiness, health, abundance and prosperity to the lives of many people. Thoughts form the major activity of the human mind. Thoughts have the power to shape your destiny. Your present situation is because of the kind of thoughts that you had maintained in your past. Your future is totally dependent on the kind of thoughts that you maintain in your present moment. To achieve great things in your life, you need to first believe in yourself and in your abilities. Visualization is also plays a key role in training your mind to achieve your desired results. This book explains about the science of thoughts and how you can make the best use of thoughts through various techniques to achieve the results that you desire. This book also describes various visualization techniques to help you in your day-to-day life to achieve success, health, happiness, abundance and prosperity. You would be learning a lot of techniques like mindfulness, meditation, affirmation, visualization, NLP, abundance manifestation, mental space, mirror technique, etc. That would help you to achieve your desired results in all respect of your life. This book became the bestseller in Amazon UK, Amazon Canada, Amazon Australia, Amazon India. To get complete insights, we recommend you to read this book. To get copies of this book or Deepak's publications, please click the links of Amazon given in the description box. Grab your copies and share your feedback with the best-selling author Deepak Devraj.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel if not already subscribed. Kindly do comment and share with others you know. Do remember to click the bell button to get our future notifications. See you soon with another best-selling book. Till then, take care and enjoy reading your books.